first day out, and we are going to Shinsaibashi, Dotonbori, Namba, those areas.
So exciting!
Yeah! We need to go here. So how you do is, well, there's an English button. Alright, you get a ticket. And then you put in your 2 tickets and
Put in
your money.
first.
Yeah. Alright, cool. That's like how much?
230, right?
M19 to 30, yes.
Right.
And then they calculate for you and the change will come out.
Take your money, your change.
Take your tickets.
Usually opens around 11. Away from Shinsaibashi shopping area, and the place looks really cute and there's so many shops around. Finding for food. Hungry and cold. Well, I like the combination. To Japan to try the original Pablo. This is the original version. Let's try this. The crust is so creamy.
Really? Can I try? So cheesy. The crust is so crispy.
So let's finish this up before we try the matcha one.
Last bite from me.
Give me some, okay? Green tea version.
Let's try this out. It's got a very strong green tea taste.
Really? I want.
It's not really that bitter. It's not very sweet also.
They even have a song. It's singing Pablo Mini. Can you hear that? It's a song by Pablo.
They have their own theme song. This is so cool. Yum!
Double egg.